Good evening, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on May 11th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. Okay, so we're going to be reviewing Monday, May 11th, 2015. We're going to start off with the OTC market. Today we had a pre-market trade here on ticker symbol Hcei, Healthy Coffee International. This was a stock that has been posting several news for several days. Last week we saw news. We actually took the trade from 9 to 12. Those were the buy zones on a scalp, and we saw a test of this 0.0035 level. Okay, that stock did not hold above this box pattern, then pulled back and it re-entry, or gave a triggered re-entry at 0.0009 again for a probability level. Okay, today the stock was announced news. Okay, Healthy Coffee at Muscle Beach, Venice Beach, California on Memorial Day, May 25th, 2015. That was the news for today. Okay, so the stock rallied. I told traders to watch that scalp to that 0.0035, to that potential test of that 0.0045 level, and that's exactly what we got. Okay, so our Hcei, this was a setup that was given to traders today pre-market, was an entry at 0.0019 that pulled back to as low as 17. I said if the stock closes below 0.002, we're gonna look for to get out, because sometimes companies do tend to sell on the news. Okay, I mentioned that there was news. Watch the scalp to that 35.49, which our target was hit. We hit a high of 45 here, and now we closed at 0.0034. So now what you want to see is any retrace level down to this 18 level, 18 to 22 level, could be a buy zone, a re-entry level. Okay, just ensure that you have your stop close below that 0.002 level on 2 consecutive closes, just in case. Overall, you still have a long, it's greatly oversold still. Okay, this stock is greatly oversold. You're looking at a rounded bottom here. Now what you want to see is some consolidation. Okay, what you want to see this stock do is hold this 18 level. If it holds above 18 level, you could see some consolidation and a continued move higher. What we're looking for is a pivot close above that 0.0046 level on 2 consecutive closes to confirm that next leg. Okay, once you close above that 0.0046 level, which is that 21-day moving average, that's the level that's going to be acting support. Okay, so I want traders just to keep that in mind. The next stock is SHOM, ticker symbol SHOM, Southern Home Medical. This was a stock that we gave out probability levels, 0009 to 11, probability trade. We were looking for that pivot break of 15. Okay, this stock gave multiple opportunities to trade the stock. If you notice here, we hit a low of 10, then we hit a high of 13. Then we pulled back, hit that low of 10 again, and then we rallied. We hit a high of 13 again. So it was just a trade that just gave an opportunity. When we sent this out, it also gave an opportunity to enter at 10, and then we hit at 18, pulled back down to this 11 level, and then retested that 18 level. And then since then it broke down. We were talking about that probability range. The stock then was bashed by several tweeters and also iHub. A lot of people were panicking because they were talking about raising authorized shares. That was already baked in the cake. That news was sent out as early as April 8th. So that just wasn't a big concern for us. But what we noticed was this consolidation and this bottom entry here. We gave that entry to traders, and today we posted news, May 11th news, Southern Home Medical records 84% sales increase for the quarter. So sales and profits trending strong for Shom, and then that stock rallied. It hit a low and gave an opportunity to enter as low as 0007, and then we hit a high of 17 today. So that was just a great move. You're talking about close to 80% move there, or a little bit over 100%. If you would have added the lows at 0007. Again, sometimes you got to buy these stocks when they are hated. And this is just a prime example of what this stock can do. Now, what you want to see is this stock close above 13 on 2 consecutive closes. If it does, would not be surprised to test this 0.003 range at some point. Regardless, okay, the stock is, or the company has increased its sales up to 84%, so that is telling. Okay, FRZT was a stock that we sent out here from the 20 to 25 buy zones. After the Iwatch news, the Apple Iwatch app news, the stock hit a high of 0.01. I went and we made a video. We talked about that retrace level. We were looking at that 29, okay, potential gap fill. Okay, that actually triggered today. It hit a low of 28, and today we closed at 49. So those traders that watched the video and saw that entry from 28 to 33 managed to enter that stock, and we closed that at the high of the day at 49. So what we want to see now is a little bit of a bullish consolidation inside flag pattern here. Okay, what you want to see is this inside flag pattern hold. Okay, if it does hold, you want to see some consolidation. You want to see a break of that 0.006 level. If it does, you could test that 0.01 again. Okay, so you want traders to keep an eye on the FRZT. Okay, yesterday we had a Sunday meeting. We have these Sunday meetings pretty much every Sunday night at 10:15. We had a trader PGM come up with Mjmj. We were talking about where we would look to purchase this stock. Okay, we talked about this support level breaking, then testing this new support, second, this third support, four, and now this fifth support, and it actually held. This stock saw a low of about 0.0038 today, and then since then it hit a high of 0.011. Okay, now what we're looking for is a second day confirmation. So traders that want to add this stock here, okay, just watch this level here. Okay, any pullback down to these levels could be a buying opportunity. All right, so you want to see a little bit of a consolidation here. Okay, so watch your entry here at 0.005 to about 0.007. If you can add somewhere around that range, you can place your stops with a close below 0.005 on 2 consecutive closes. This stock is oversold, so I do feel that this stock can see a continuation. Okay, if you see a gap up tomorrow, you may be able to enter the stock. Look for the stock to trade from 0.01 to 0.015 or 0.018, maybe even 0.02. Okay, you may be able to scalp that for 50 to 100%. So you want to see what the stock opens. Now, if you add a position tomorrow on a gap up, what you want to do is you want to stop close below that opening price if it does pull back. Okay, just make sure that you set your parameters. Okay, there's a lot of traders that sometimes say, oh, I don't know, but I don't know when to add. Okay, you add and you set your parameters. If you add at any price and you have your parameters, there should be no issue, because then what you're doing is you're managing risk and you're ensuring if that stock goes the wrong way that you're stopping out. But right now, you could see a pullback down to this 0.005 to 0.007 level. And you would have a stop close below that 0.005 level. Okay, Ntlk. Okay, we're seeing a little bit of a reversal here. Saw a low of 0.0031, tested a high of 0.0047, closed at 0.004. Now what you want to see is a second day confirmation above this box pattern. If you do, you could test this 0.008 okay level again. So you're talking about a 50 to 100% move here on Ntlk. So just keep an eye on the Ntlk for a second day confirmation bounce. Okay, this stock did post news not too long ago, and the stock ended up hitting a high of 0.018. Now you're grabbing that stock below that 61.8% retrace level. So what you want to do is you want to keep an eye on that Ntlk for any bounce. Okay, so moving on, Lfap. This was a stock that we sent out via the weekly watch list. We gave that entry at 0.002. It traded 0.0022 to 0.0025. The stock hit a high of 0.0036, well over 50%, close to 80%. Just a great move. Now what we want to see is the stock close above this 0.0034 mark on 2 consecutive closes. If it does, would not be surprised to test this 0.006 level. Okay, so I want traders to keep an eye on the Lfap. They had Lfap's Digital Media Inc. launches new Aapl Healthcare enabled application for the iPhone and the Iwatch. So remember what the FRZT trade did. Could see the Lfap trade do the same. Okay, the Gequ, okay, gave an opportunity to enter as low as 15. Okay, 16 to 21 levels. holding. Today we closed at the high of the day at 24. Watch for this 0.003 break. If it does, watch that 0.0046 next. Okay, it is trading very, very well. SREH, okay, this is a stock that triggered again. Okay, we talked about SREH last time. The 0004 to 0006 were the buy zones. The stock ended up hitting a high of 0.0028. Now the stock's pulling back, and it gave an entry as low as 0005 and 6. So the stock closed up 50% on the day at 0009. So watch this stock continue an uptrend. Okay, this stock is now in a little bit of a flag pattern here. So what you want to see is this a little bit of consolidation and a break close above 15. If you do, you could test that at 28 level again for the SREH. Okay, another stock that is in a bullish flag pattern and today kind of broke, okay, is that Mrnj. Okay, it gave an opportunity to enter as low as 0007 today. The stock closed at 0009. Watch for a second day confirmation close above that 0008 level. If it does, okay, we'll break that bullish flag on the upside, and then what we're looking for is that potential move up to that 0.002 to 0.003 level. So just keep that in mind. Mrnj is looking strong. Moving on to options. Okay, the SPY, okay, did do a little bit of a slight pullback. Okay, you got a little bit of an engulfing candle there. So watch this support be tested tomorrow. So keep an eye on that 207.80, okay, to 209 level. If I do see a gap down, I may give out a scalp opportunity for tomorrow. So just bear that in mind. The Aapl as well, it did test a low of 125.62, giving an entry for a starter here on the calls. But what we're looking for tomorrow is for this 125 level to hold. Okay, the next one is Q's. The QQQ, okay, has a bit of an engulfing candle. Watch that move down to that 107.40 support. Okay, so tomorrow, depending on what the market opens at, we may have some gap plays here for the big boards. So just keep that in mind. Okay, any questions or comments, you can comment down below. If you have any stocks that you want to review or go over, okay, I just recommend that you guys just type some comments down there. Any stocks that you want to go over, I'll answer you as quickly as possible. Okay, if you have any questions on the memberships, just send me an email at radiosilentplay@gmail.com. For those that want to try out our free trial, okay, just type in www.radiosilentplay.com. On the upper right hand corner, you will see that free subscriptions, okay, that free trial up on the right hand corner. If you do decide to join up, you can always give me a call. My number is there, and also you can send me an email and I'll get right back at you as soon as possible. Okay, just want to tell everybody that we're looking forward to the new Apple iOS app coming out soon. Okay, so we have a lot of things in store. So again, it's all about using the tools. Once you utilize the tools, it makes trading a lot easier. Okay, with that said, have a good night, everyone. Take care.